In this video, I will show you how to fix incorrect password problem on Instagram. Let's open Instagram. Click and hold the profile icon. Then click on Add Instagram account. Then click on Log into existing account. Then click on the account that we want to log into. It will ask us for the password, and when you type out the password and try to log in, it might say incorrect password. So press OK. Then let's click on Forgot Password. Then continue. Then you'll get a message from WhatsApp about your Instagram code. Copy it, paste it in Instagram. Here it will ask you to create a new password. Here type out a new password and click continue. And that's it. That's how you can log into your account even if it shows incorrect password. Thank you for watching. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below.